Today, we're diving deep into 5 practical tips inspired by the legendary Warren Buffett. These tips are not just theories, they're actionable strategies that anyone can implement to enhance their financial standing. Whether you're just starting your journey to financial freedom or looking to reinforce your existing practices, these principles are timeless and effective. So, buckle up and get ready to transform your financial life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Let's dive in. Rule number 1. Establishing a savings habit is paramount for financial success. It's the cornerstone that distinguishes those who thrive from those who struggle. Warren Buffett, a proponent of this practice, underscores its significance in accumulating wealth. Regular saving, he stresses, is key to wealth accumulation over time. Buffett advises allocating a portion of income, no matter how modest, towards savings and prudent investment. Even minimal savings can snowball with the magic of compound interest. It's not about the sum saved, but the steadfastness in doing so. Whether it's $10, $20, $50, $100, or $500 monthly, consistency is key. Excuses like low income shouldn't deter one from saving. Starting with a modest percentage, like 5%, 10%, or 15%, sets the foundation for a savings routine. Despite initial challenges, persisting in this habit is vital. Remember, discipline is as crucial for financial freedom as it is for saving. By cultivating this habit early on, you pave the way for long-term financial stability and growth. Through persistence and consistency, you edge closer to your financial aspirations. So regardless of your current situation, prioritize saving. It's the first step towards realizing your financial goals. Rule number 2. Always spend less than what you earn. Cut out unnecessary expenses, those small spends that Warren Buffett often warns against. It's crucial to grasp the significance of this principle for achieving financial stability and building wealth. Buffett stresses moderation and advises against excessive consumption. This means living within your means, avoiding frivolous expenses, and prioritizing investing over impulsive spending. Such a prudent approach lays the groundwork for accumulating capital, which can then be intelligently invested for long-term returns. Moreover, Warren Buffett underscores that spending less than you earn is a pivotal step toward financial independence. Regular saving builds a financial safety net, enabling you to navigate unforeseen challenges, emergencies, and seize investment opportunities. This principle isn't solely about expense control. It's about steadily amassing resources for a financially secure future. Unnecessary expenses are those that offer little value or can be done away with without significant sacrifice. They encompass impulse buys, unused subscriptions, costly entertainment, frequent dining out, and succumbing to societal pressures to maintain appearances. Before making any purchase, rigorously evaluate its necessity against these guidelines. Rule number 3. Only purchase items if you can afford to buy them twice over without relying on credit. This rule is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial standing. Essentially, it means you should have enough funds to buy something outright and still have savings left over for another purchase. This principle mainly applies to non-essential items. For instance, refrain from buying a $30,000 car if you've only saved $20,000. From a financial perspective, this is unwise because it would likely lead to debt and financial strain in the future, unless the car can generate income. However, if you're looking for personal transportation and have $20,000 saved, buying a $5,000 motorcycle would be a reasonable expense. Remember, if you can't afford something twice over up front, it's a sign that you're overstretching your budget or living beyond your means. Making purchases beyond your means can lead to debt accumulation, jeopardizing your ability to save and reach long-term financial goals. The essence of this rule is to ensure you can acquire what you need without going into debt or jeopardizing your future finances. By following this guideline, you'll be better positioned to build a stable and secure financial future. Rule number 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. Throughout life, you'll encounter individuals who excel in various aspects. Embrace the opportunity to learn from them rather than feeling intimidated. Appreciate the value of friendships that foster growth and development. As Warren Buffett wisely noted, Achieving financial freedom often requires distancing oneself from those who habitually complain or engage in superficial competitions. Steer clear of individuals who incessantly gripe, and instead align yourself with those who are driven by a desire for success. By avoiding negative influences and gravitating towards those with a proactive mindset, you pave the way for personal improvement and goal attainment. Individuals who perpetually complain can emit toxic energy, while those who pursue success typically possess a positive outlook and a commitment to self-improvement. Therefore, resist the temptation to associate with individuals who are content with merely coasting through life, solely focused on weekend revelries and superficial displays. Such behavior reflects a narrow-minded approach to existence, devoid of concern for financial stability or future prospects. Surround yourself with individuals who embody ambition and determination, and you'll find yourself propelled towards success. Rule number 5, invest wisely and venture into entrepreneurship. Warren Buffett stresses the paramount importance of ongoing education. Before diving into any investment, it's imperative to grasp its intricacies. Buffett advocates extensive reading on finance, business, and economics, advocating for a continuous quest for knowledge. Moreover, Buffett underscores the virtue of patience in both business and investments. Rather than succumbing to fleeting trends or making hasty decisions, adopt a long-term approach. This strategic mindset heightens the probability of success in investment endeavors. Starting your own business empowers you to seize control of your financial destiny. By initiating a venture, you assume responsibility for your income and career trajectory. Embarking on this entrepreneurial journey promises manifold financial and personal gains. The merits of entrepreneurship are abundant. It offers the potential for limitless income, unlike traditional employment with its salary constraints. Furthermore, entrepreneurship grants autonomy in decision-making and the flexibility to craft one's schedule. While entrepreneurship isn't devoid of challenges, it's within reach for those who are determined and responsible. Redirect your focus towards entrepreneurial pursuits if you excel under the employ of others. Life is too fleeting to endure the monotony of despising Mondays and yearning for weekends. Embrace each day fully, seeking fulfillment in your endeavors. Incorporate these 5 principles into your life and witness a transformative shift in your outcomes. Seize control of your destiny today. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. We've covered some invaluable tips inspired by none other than the legendary Warren Buffett. If you're serious about leveling up your financial game and reaching your goals, these principles are absolute game changers. But hey, the journey doesn't end here. If you want to stay on top of your finances and keep learning, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got plenty more insights and strategies coming your way to help you on your path to financial success. And hey, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and empower each other to take control of our financial futures. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and remember, your financial freedom is within reach. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.